Welcome to Practice Easy English. Phrasal verbs for eating and drinking. Nibble on. To eat small amounts of food slowly. Do you like to nibble on nuts? Yes, I like to nibble on almonds. Gorge on. To eat a large amount of food greedily. Did you gorge on the buffet? Yes, I gorged on all the dishes. Munch on. To eat something steadily and often noisily. Do you like to munch on chips? Yes, I love munching on them. Gobble up or down. To eat something quickly and eagerly. Did you gobble up the cookies? Yes, I gobbled them up. Tuck in. To start eating enthusiastically. Are you ready to tuck in? Yes, I'm starving. Wolf down. To eat something very quickly and eagerly. Did you wolf down your burger? Yes, I was really hungry. Graze on. To eat small amounts of food throughout the day. Do you graze on snacks at work? Yes, I graze on nuts and fruits. Pick at. To eat small amounts without interest. Were you just picking at your salad? Yes, I wasn't very hungry. Pig out. To eat a lot of food. Did you pig out at the party? Yes, I pigged out on pizza. Cut down on. To reduce the amount of something. Should you cut down on sugar? Yes, I need to cut down on sugar. Chow down. To eat a lot of food eagerly. Are you ready to chow down? Yes, I'm ready to chow down. Drink up. To finish to the last drop. Did you drink up your juice? Yes, I drank it all up. Gulp down. To eat or drink something very quickly. Did you gulp down your drink? Yes, I was very thirsty. Feast on. To eat a large amount of food with great enjoyment. Did you feast on the holiday dinner? Yes, I feasted on everything. Snack on. To eat a small amount of food between meals. Do you like to snack on fruit? Yes, I snack on apples. Eat up. To eat all of something. Did you eat up your dinner? Yes, I ate it all up. Polish off. To finish food quickly. Did you polish off the cake? Yes, I polished it off. Wash down. To drink something after eating food. Did you wash down your meal with soda? Yes, I washed it down with cola. Dig in. To start eating eagerly. Can we dig in now? Yes, let's dig in. Indulge in. To allow yourself to enjoy something. Do you indulge in sweets often? Yes, I indulge in chocolate sometimes. Bolt down. To eat food very quickly. Did you bolt down your lunch? Yes, I was in a hurry. Top up. To add more drink to a glass. Can I top up your water? Yes, please top it up. Fill up. To make someone feel full. Did the soup fill you up? Yes, I'm full now. Put away. To eat a large amount of food. Did you put away the whole pizza? Yes, I was really hungry. Cut out. To stop eating or drinking something completely. Did you cut out caffeine? Yes, I cut it out last month. Dip into. To take a small amount of food, usually with a dip. Did you dip into the sauce? Yes, I dipped my chips into it. Whip up. To quickly prepare a meal. Can you whip up a quick snack? Yes, I can whip up a sandwich. Rustle up. To make a meal quickly with whatever is available. Can you rustle up some dinner? Yes, I'll see what we have.